Turning now to our next weather forecast, we're getting ready for more drenching downpours, and it could cause more flooding in neighborhoods that are already soaked. Once it's on our radar, it's on yours. Chief Meteorologist Bill Kelly back with a look at when the next round of rain arrives. Bill?
Yeah, and Jess, I want to kind of walk you through the next couple of days so you can plan. So let's just get right to it. Here's what it looks like in Bethlehem tonight. We do have the wet roads. We do have the rain that's coming down, but it's not flooding rain at this point. We have some rain up around the Lehigh Valley that's starting to move out. It's in Upper Bucks right now. And then we have this other batch that's in northern parts of Delaware and South Jersey. Again, not anything that's of major significance. Our futurecast kind of pinpointing out a few of these spots. Watch what happens over the next few hours. We continue to see some off and on showers as we go into the evening tonight, but I think most of your plans are going to be fine. And I use fine relative to last night, where it was just pouring for hours and we had the storms. It's not that. In fact, the lightning chance tonight I think is pretty low. It's just more rain and the possibility of some flooding rain here and there. And that trend goes through the overnight hours. Now out the door tomorrow, it's a cloudy day and it is a cool day. I'll show you the temperatures in just a moment. And we have this batch of rain. Everything, by the way, moving from the south to the north, which is not our normal. Normally we'll see things move from the west to the east. The reason we're going to have that tomorrow is because we're watching this tropical system start to get closer. So here's a look at noon. Let me take you into the afternoon. We have some off and on rain, possibility of some flooding rain, but all in just kind of more of an inconvenient day than I would call a dangerous day. Now, rainfall totals as we look over just between now and 11 p.m. tomorrow night. There could be pockets that pick up an inch or two. There could be localized flash flooding, but widespread I would not expect. So that's by tomorrow night. Let's hop back into the Futurecast at 11 o'clock tomorrow night, and let's go beyond. Let's go to Friday, because Friday is our next weather alert day. It's, again, a cloudy one to start, and all of this moisture that you see on this map is going to be from Debby, the remnant moisture of Debby. It looks like Friday morning, based on the current storm track, we're going to stay dry. But by the time we get into mid to late morning and around noon, we're really going to start to see the rain kick in. We're going to see the storm activity right into the afternoon. And for your early evening, your drive home could possibly be wet. But notice this updated forecast really kicks it out of here quickly. And by Friday night, it is long gone. We've taken weather alert off of Saturday. In fact, Saturday is actually shaping up to now look pretty nice. So Friday, by Friday evening, we now are talking more widespread 1, 2, 3 inch totals, and areas where you see this bright shade, even higher than that. So that is going to be one of the problems that we look at. Winds are also going to be a big problem for us on Friday with those wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour. We're going to have some impacts on our temperatures tomorrow. These are the forecast high temperatures for tomorrow. Now, normally we'd be mid-80s this time of year. Tomorrow, well, we're only talking 70s again. How about Millville at 79, Dover 78. Back here around Philadelphia, we're into the upper 70s up and down the I-95 corridor. And when we compare it to the shore locations, it's pretty similar. Lately, we've had these situations where the shore temperatures have been into the 70s and the inland temperatures into the 90s. Tomorrow, that's not going to be the case. Sky will look like it does live behind us. Temperatures are going to feel similar to what we have out there right now. Let's go beyond that. Let's talk about Friday in your 7-day forecast. As mentioned, we are on weather alert. The temperature is not going to go up much, maybe low 80s, upper 70s, but that's going to be the day that comes with rain, comes with wind, comes with the possibility of the flooding rain, and of course, wind that could be up to wind advisory category. That does not count for any storms. Any local storms could bring the potential for severe weather as well, and we can't rule out an isolated tornado. So we're watching that very closely on your day Friday. Then, guys, we get into the weekend. It's actually looking pretty nice. Temperatures in the 80s and not incredibly humid. Send it back over to you.